Hi everyone, I'm Chadwick.
I'm Joe, and we're Big Idea Design. Today, we're excited to show you our best pocket pen yet, the TI Pocket Pro.
Don't let the minimal styling fool you. This pocket pen accepts over 80 refills, both full-length rollerball refills and shorter Parker-style ballpoint refills, all without any modification, hacks, or headaches. This is the very first pocket pen to ever make this possible. Our patent-pending design allows the pen to seamlessly telescope to the perfect size to fit each specific refill, keeping the size compact for everyday carry. Because pen tips can vary in diameter, we've implemented an auto-adjusting collet at the front of the pen to help eliminate any gaps or tip wiggle.
The one-hand quick twist operation is perfect throughout the day and eliminates the problem of losing a pen cap.
Also, if you ever bend or snag your pocket clip, you can use a flathead screwdriver to remove the cap and quickly repair your clip to be as good as new.
We also include some spare O-rings in case you ever need to replace one down the road. This is truly the most refill-friendly EDC pocket pen that adapts to pretty much any refill you can throw at it and will be able to pass down for many generations to come.
Thank you for taking the time to check out our video, and we hope that you will join us in making the TI Pocket Pro.
If you have any questions, please go ahead and send us a message. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.
Thank you. I did a lot of this.
We can do it again.
Yeah.